going on, YouTube? It's a loaded question. I hope you're having a better day than I am. Oh, Lord Almighty. It's been one of those days. Just... If you can tell, I'm still at home. I haven't gone to work. Even though I'm supposed to be at work today, I had to call in unavailable. Let them know that I wasn't going to be able to come in. Where's going to be a good lighting source? But our hot water heater decided to give up the ghost, and it spewed water. Well, it didn't spew water everywhere. It spewed water underneath the house, all in the insulation underneath the house, all on the floorboard. I mean, we couldn't tell. All the subfloor is soaking wet, so we're going to have the insurance company come out here and an adjustment and tell us how much it's going to cost us to fix the floor. Been calling, trying to find a plumber to come out here and put in a tankless water heater. Instead of putting in a regular hot water heater, I'm just going to go ahead and put in a tankless. As many people as we have in the house, we need a better water solution than what we have now. I want to lower my utility bills, so tankless is the way to go. I've been talking about it for years, and this just gives me the impetus to go ahead and do it. And I have looking for my phone holder. Can't find it. Well, it's just been one of those days. But for me, it's one of those lives, you know. It's just the way it is. So I had to come out here. It's overcast. It's warm. Feels good. I don't want to put you in here. That seems about the best lighting source right there. Always consider your lighting. It's what I've always done as a photographer. Let's see if this will work. Does it work? Does it work? I don't know. Kinda, sorta. Kinda cockeyed. Oh well. How about that? How about that? How about that? Does that work? Does that work? Does that work? Not really. You know, as soon as I don't need it, I'll find it. When I turned off the water today, I had to have a pair of pliers. I found a pair of pliers. Turned off the water. Figured out what the problem was. Then turned off the water to the water heater. Then needed to turn the water back on at the road. Guess what? I couldn't find the pliers to turn the water back on at the road. Lord. It's just one thing after another. You gotta love it. Gotta love it. Let's try this. Nom, 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 nom. How's that? You like that? You're sitting on top of the Ford 8N tractor. I needed a little bit of singing to. Don't worry, I'm not going to sing to you. I needed a little chainsaw serenade. So I came out and got the McCulloch. Let's see if they'll start. Oh, sounds like it. Come on. Running out of gas. Look at that. Chainsaw confetti. Smells good. Stirred up a bunch of ants. Yep, stirred up a bunch of ants. Scurrying around like a bunch of politicians during election time. Wipe you off there. Oh, yeah, I need to put an edge on that chain. That does a pretty good job. I got slip-on shoes full of sawdust. Oh, yeah, I gotta do something about that. It's got a leaking problem. I don't think I can put a depends on a McCulloch. So I need to fix that bar oil leaking situation. But it cuts. She cuts. Yeah. Oh, definitely cheaper than therapy. I might have to try my hand at chainsaw carving. Oh, yeah. So, that's what's going on with me. I hope your day is better. But, yeah, I'm going to go inside and see what Buck and Billy Ray's got going on. I've been trying to check on his video for a while. Yeah, there's nothing in there. So, subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. Comment. Let me know what you think about me doing chainsaw art. You know I did go to art school, right? Okay. But share. Let people know. You know. Tripper, I let people know about your site. Good Day Farms. I share with your site. Oh, speaking of Good Day Farms, Travis took your advice and got one. I'm going to see what it does with the square cut, but I'm also going to see what it does with that chainsaw right there. I'm going to have to put it on and file it. So, I know I got a little bit scatterbrained. I'm all over the place like a rattlesnake with hiccups. Okay, guys. You know the drill. And I will talk at you later. Good song. No, that's talk to you later. Okay. Bye.